Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea signed another young player. Chelsea completed the signing of another young player. Midnight signing. I call it midnight signing. And as we are speaking now, his medicals has been done and dusted. Completed, I'm telling you. And he is called Geovany Quenda. Geovany Quenda. And who is this player? In fact, he is Portugal international, 17 years of age, from Sporting Academy, and he played for Portugal under 17 and Portugal under 21. But currently, he is playing for Sporting senior team, Geovany Quenda, 17 years of age. And he will join Chelsea 2026. 2026, not this season, or not in the summer coming. Next year summer, 2026. And what does this signing means to Chelsea? Geovany Quenda signing, guys. In fact, maybe this showed that Sancho will really go back to United because this guy is also a winger. And if he will join Chelsea, that means one of our wingers must go. Yes, to give space for him next year or next 2 years, he will join Chelsea. So this is sounding like Sancho will return to Manchester United because his issue is that he is earning around 250,000 a week, Sancho. So Chelsea said they can't pay that wages. Chelsea wants Sancho to reduce his wages. That is the issue. We all knew our Chelsea. Our wage cap is 150. Chelsea doesn't pay more than 150 or unless you come and play and prove it. So Chelsea felt that Sancho hasn't proved it enough to earn that wages. So that is why Chelsea may send him back. And even if Chelsea will send him back, since it was obligation to buy and now Chelsea is about to send him back, Chelsea have to pay a fee for that. Chelsea have to pay a fee for sending Sancho back to Manchester United because it was obligation to buy. And that obligation met. I heard when Chelsea finished above 15. And we'll finish above 15. We are fourth on the league table. So, guys, maybe this is why Chelsea went and completed this signing or went and signed this guy. Yes, Geovany Quenda. And another way I see this signing, like, we are not saying that this our owners shouldn't sign young players. No team will survive without young players. You need young players for the future. But also make sure that your first team is capable of competing. Your first team can do something, particularly and especially a team like Chelsea. At the highest level, we must have a squad that can compete. That is our problem with this owners. You can go and sign your young people, but make sure that the squad, the first team can compete, can go for Premier League titles, can go for Champions League titles. Yes, we'll see good football from them, winning football. But look at this, our squad. Look at this, our squad. We are lacking players in so many positions in this current squad. Whilst we are going signing players that we don't need for now. Because this guy, he is 17. He will join Chelsea when he turns 18. So for me, we are going ahead doing some signings in which we don't need. I'm telling you, all this signings, Chelsea doesn't need it. Yes, we don't need it for now. I want a striker. You are going to sign me 17 years old guy to come and do what? I want a defender. I want a goalkeeper. I want more squad depth in the midfield. You are going to sign me Quincy. In fact, already I think they signed 3 players who will join Chelsea 2026. All these players will come, they send them out on loan. We saw it. Omar Hutchison, Cesar Casade, Chukwuemeka, so many players. Yes, Sancho will be the only one that will survive. Yes, I'm telling you. And even Sancho, if he joins Chelsea next season and doesn't play well or play to expectation, I'm telling you, if any good offer comes, they will sell him. And our goalkeeping department, they are ready to do business with them again. 9 goalkeepers or 8. Pendes, Petrovic, Georgeson, Sanchez, who and who. These are our owners, Charlie. They are not going to change. Todd Bowley said it during his football business. He said it that you can't find a striker in a grocery store, but you can find a winger, a player that we don't want. Chelsea don't want from Sporting, from Portugal. Who knows this player? Look at the time they completed the signing. In a midnight, Magana time, midnight. I wake up and saw this signing. Fabrizio reported it. Yes, just a complete. And even medical has been done and dusted. No rumors about this signing because they know we don't like it. They know the fans don't want this kind of signing, so they have to hide and do it. Yes. So guys, see, let's just hope that this current squad that we have, they pick form. Yes, because see, these our owners, they will not listen. The experienced strikers that we want, they will not go and do that because of the wages. This guy, imagine you are Quincy or Geovany, and you just wake up, Chelsea come to sign. Won't you accept? This is a dream come true. As a footballer, you hear Chelsea sign, you come. Even when you come, maybe in the future, you get the limelight and go somewhere else. But first of all, if Chelsea is going for any young player, that young player, see, he'll be shivering to come. This is a big brand. This is Chelsea. Chelsea will give you the exposure. Yes, for you to get even bigger contract in the future. So these players, for them signing for Chelsea, it's a dream come true. For them, they can see that they have a future coming to Chelsea. And yes, they have a future. Yes, Omar Hutchinson, he came, Chelsea signed him free transfer. Now he's playing for Ipswich Town. Yes, through Chelsea giving him the exposure. Now a team came and signed him. Yes, he's being important player for them. Chukwuemeka and co. They will get a good team. So Chelsea will bring you, give you exposure, sell you in the future, make their profit. Yes. So guys, for me, my issue is that they should prepare this our squad ready for competition. And then they can go ahead and be signing their own players. We want a striker. Isaac is there. Osimhen is there. Sesko is there. Victor Gyökeres is there. Boniface is there. Semenyo is there. I don't understand. Look at the problems we have in our first team. Even our wingers, they can't score. Cole Palmer is also now off form. So as a team, as owners, what should you do? Look at your senior squad, the squad, and find the mistakes, find the problems, and solve it. Look at Manchester City. In the January transfer window, they were trying to solve their problem. In fact, during that January transfer, City spent more than 100 million. I'm telling you, just to solve their problem. And that is how big team operate too. Big team, you must find the problem in your squad and start solving them one after the other till you have a complete team, till you have a competitive team. But this our Chelsea team, our Chelsea owner, they ignore the senior squad. When Bahan and Besanin players that we don't need. Besanin 17 years, 18 years players, we don't need. In which we don't have a striker. I don't understand. So guys, these our owners, I don't think they will change. They will not listen. They have hard ears. They don't listen. Hard ears. So sometimes, like as a Chelsea fan, some games, don't expect Chelsea to win it too. Some games, you need experience. Some games, you need men who understand football, who knows that football, see, anything can happen in football. Football is full of uncertainty. Look at our Champions League winning year, the first in 2012. When Bayern Munich scored the first goal, our players, they didn't lose hope because they were having the experience. They knew that they can still come back and win it because of they were men. When Mata was about to cross the ball, the corner kick, he informed Drogba that Drogba should be ready for the ball. That is how experienced players operate. Yes, for them, they can think about the future. Like they have advanced thinking because they have seen it in so many occasions, so many number of times. But inexperienced players, immediately they concede a goal. That is all. They don't have the mind, the mature mind to come back into the game. So that is what we are saying. Bring us experienced players and go and be signing your Kunze or your Wian. We don't care. We don't care. But you letting the senior squad be suffering and you are going ahead to be doing your midnight signing, your secret signing. What is that? Caicedo, Enzo, Neto, Madueke, Jackson, Palmer, who. See, let's just hope that they pick form because we don't have anything to do again. They refuse to listen. They refuse to bring us experienced players. So let's hope that this current squad that we have, turn to experienced players, grow, and start giving us the good performance. As Chelsea fans, because as a fan, what do you expect or what are you gaining from your team if not winning, if not result? We don't get direct income from Chelsea. What we get is the winning, to be happy, to celebrate trophy. And now we are no more seeing those things. So let's hope the current Chelsea that we have, they pick form. The current Chelsea that we have, they grow in experience and start giving us the winning mentality, the winning games, yes, winning trophies in the future. Apart from that, Dishonest means business. Americans, when it comes to business, they are top notch. They are number one. So they turn this our Chelsea team football club to a business venture. I'm telling you, to be a business entity. So they are not changing. One of them called Chelsea fans as customers. That they see with the Chelsea fans as customers. So what do you expect? What do you expect? So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Chelsea completed the signing of another young player. Yes, that Geovany. Yes, guys, let me hear from your opinion, your thought about this signing. And please don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the motivation to give you more videos. Take care, peace.